Our today's topic is special relationship between the banker and customer. There are 5 types of special relationship between banker and customer. The first type is banker's duty to honor the check of the customer. As long as there is sufficient balance into the account of the customer, it is the statutory duty of the banker to honor the check of the customer. In this case, there is one clause. In banking, the name of the clause is garnishee order. Before understanding the garnishee order, there are 3 parties. Garnishee, that is court, the law and order of the country. Second party is judgment debtor, that is judgment debtor is the person who is the customer of the banker who has his account into the one particular bank. The third party is judgment creditor. Judgment creditor is the person who has lended some amount to the judgment debtor. Again, in garnishee order, there are 2 types: garnishee, order nishee, and absolute order. Before understanding order nishee, if in case the judgment debtor has not refunded back his amount to the judgment creditor, the judgment creditor will sue the case into the account on the judgment debtor, and the court will pass the order to freeze the account of the judgment debtor. It is the duty of the banker till the decision taken by the customer, the account of the banker will be freeze. That is, there will be no debit entry and there will be no credit entry till the decision is taken by the court. That part is called as order nishee. Order nishee is that part where the account of the judgment debtor is being freeze. After freezing the account, the deep investigation is done by the court, and one decision is taken. Either there is no judgment debtor has not taken any kind of amount. Judgment creditor was just putting wrong claim on the judgment debtor, or there will be one decision that judgment debtor has taken the amount and he has to pay back his amount to the judgment creditor. The court will take one decision and the banker has to follow. If he has taken the amount from the judgment creditor, it is the duty of the banker to give back the amount to the judgment creditor from the account of the judgment debtor. That part is called as absolute order, when the final decision is taken by the court. The second type is banker's right to set off. Banker's right to set off means when the banker has to pay some kind of amount to the customer. That is, if the customer has account into the bank and the banker has to pay interest to the customer. In the same way, customer has taken the loan from the banker and customer has to pay the interest to the banker on the loan. So there is debit entry also and there is credit entry also. In that case, the banker will set the amount, that is 1,000 banker has to pay to the customer and customer has to pay 2,000. So customer will pay only 1,000 after setting off 1,000 from the 2,000. That is called as banker right to set off. The third type is banker right to lien. Banker right to lien means it is applicable when the banker is in the position of creditor. Creditor means he has given the loan to the customer, and in future banker has a right to take back his amount from the customer. When the banker lends the loan to the customer in exchange of the mortgage of goods and security, so it is the right of the banker to retain those goods and securities till the amount is paid back by the customer. That is called as banker right to lien. Lien means the right to retain the goods of security till the customer repay back the amount to the banker. The fourth type is banker's right to appropriation. Appropriation means when the customer has taken more than one type of loan from the banker and customer has paid installment. For example, if he has taken 3 types of loan: home loan, vehicle loan, education loan. On home loan, he has to pay the installment of 10,000. On a vehicle loan, he has to pay the installment of 8,000, and on education loan, he has to pay the installment of 5,000. He came to the bank and he was in a hurry and he just paid 15,000 to the banker and he went off. Banker is in confusion in which installment he has to appropriate the amount. So when the customer has not cleared It is the right of the banker. He will appropriate the amount where he finds fit in 3 types of loan. That is called as banker's right of appropriation. The last type of relationship is banker's right to charge interest, commission and incidental charges. When the banker is maintaining the account of the customer, it is the right of the banker to charge some incidental charges, that is maintenance charges from the customer, or if he has given the loan to the customer, he has a right to charge the interest on it, or if he is giving the remittal services to the customer, that is buying and selling of security on behalf of the customer, or paying electricity, phone bills, water bills on behalf of the customer. In that case, he has a right to charge the commission from the customer. That is called as banker's right to charge interest, commission and incidental charges. So these are the 5 types which are found in special relationship between banker and customer. Thank you.